For this project, I decided to speak about Microsoft. Microsoft is an international organization that many of us use on a daily basis, and I thought it would be interesting to delve deeper into the organizational and operational processes of a company that has been a significant part of my life. To start off with, Microsoft offers more than just Microsoft Office. They offer software products and services, as well as hardware, suites of products and services, and the individual products themselves. Some of the things they offer include operating systems for PCs, servers, phones, and other intelligent devices, hardware including the Xbox Entertainment System, consulting, product and solution service, as well as training and certifying computer system integrators and developers. So as we can see now, they're much more than just a software company, and they're actually made up of 5 operational segments that I'm now going to talk about, being the Windows and Windows Live division, the Server and Tools division, the Online Services division, the Microsoft Business division, and the Entertainment and Devices. The job of the Windows and Windows Live division really isn't that difficult to understand. They obviously market the PC OS itself, so they're the ones responsible for marketing the personal computers, the operating systems for those personal computers, as well as designing deals and making deals with other companies to pre-install their operating system onto other hardware. Next up is the Online Services division. This division is in charge of developing and marketing information and content designed to help people simplify tasks and make more informed decisions online, as well as helping advertisers connect with audiences. They're in charge of constantly maintaining and upgrading their search engine Bing, as well as integrating online services into hardware products such as the Xbox and Windows Phone. The job of the Servers and Tools division is a bit more complex than that. They're the ones responsible for designing server software, server developer tools, services, and solutions, as well as maintaining all of these products. They're designed to make information technology professionals and developers more productive and efficient, as well as combining on-site and cloud-based services, with the cloud being the online servers that companies have the option of purchasing. They also provide training and certification to developers and information technology professionals. So as well as creating a product, they're also bartering a service with all these corporations for maintaining these services that they've purchased. The next division I wanted to talk about was the Microsoft Business division. This consists of the main business of Microsoft, and their main job is to package and sell Microsoft Office, mainly Office 365, SharePoint, Exchange, and Link, and now they're also going to be selling Microsoft Dynamics, which is a new business management software. So Office and all these other apps were designed to increase productivity in personal, team, and organizational settings, and the content being added to these products are things such as content management, enterprise searching, collaboration, unified communications, and business intelligence, just to make organizational process and progress much easier to attain. 80% of the revenue made in this division comes from business-to-business sales, so typically organizations are the ones purchasing Microsoft Office and all these other apps in the business package, which is the most expensive but best cost for the organization itself. And finally, we have the Entertainment and Devices division. This division is designed to entertain and connect their consumers. The main responsibilities of this division are to the Xbox Gaming and Entertainment System, the Windows Phone, and Skype. These pieces of hardware and apps all need constant maintenance and upgrading, and especially Xbox, which typically has a life cycle of 5 to 10 years. The next thing I want to talk about Microsoft's organizational and operational processes is their operations in general. So Microsoft has operations centers placed around the world in all regions Microsoft operates within, such as the regional center in Ireland supporting the European, Middle Eastern, and African region, the center in Singapore supporting Japan, India, Greater China, and the Asia Pacific region, as well as all the centers in the United States, including Fargo, North Dakota, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, Puerto Rico, Redmond, Washington, and Reno, Nevada, supporting Latin America and North America. This coverage denotes that Microsoft is a global organization as they operate domestically in more than one country. As far as manufacturing goes, Microsoft typically uses a contracting system. So they contract most of their manufacturing activities for the Xbox and related games, the Kinect for Xbox, various retail software packaged products, the Surface devices, and Microsoft PC hardware, all to third parties. And devices such as the Xbox and the Kinect for Xbox include key components that are supplied by a single source, but they can use other third-party vendors if those sources are currently taken, and they acquire many of their components at a discount based on a volumetric basis. Much of their operations are also affected by research and development, seeing as they've taken a very global approach to their company. So their main research and development center is located in Redmond, Washington, but they operate research and development facilities in other parts of the US and around the world, including Canada, China, Denmark, Estonia, Germany, India, Ireland, Israel, and the UK. This global approach helps them remain competitive in a market that may be gaining a technological advantage and bring that advantage to other research and development centers. So they also operate Microsoft Research, which is the world's largest computer science research organization, and this organization works with universities around the world to advance computer science. To end off, Microsoft is an organization that has maintained a solid approach to its operations and operations management by creating a global perspective and remaining competitive in these markets. Being able to quickly react to new technology hitting any market gives Microsoft a competitive edge in the global marketplace.